2023, at approximately 10:40 p.m. 4 officers from the Chicago Police Department were on patrol when they responded to reports of shots fired near the 2200 block of South Sacramento Avenue. During their response, officers arrested 2 juveniles and recovered 2 handguns. However, once the juveniles were placed in handcuffs, backup arrived, but not for the police.
Ooh. Oh my God.
1064 boy, emergency. Shots fired. Emergency.
The shooter, visible for only a moment, is seen here dressed in black and running for cover once an officer returns fire.
10-1! 10-1! Shots fired by the police!
You gonna run towards the shots and put on the light?
As 2 officers move down the alley in cautious pursuit of the shooter.
It was 2 guys blowing each other off for crack. Nasty work. What are y'all doing?
A 3rd officer secures bystanders, while a 4th continues to secure the arrested juveniles.
Get the f*** out of here! 10-1 overhead. Get out of here! Stay the f*** down. Stay the f*** down. Can you untie this? No. Shut up.
Damn.
By the boulevard, 23rd Marshall. 23rd Marshall. Hey, let me come back around. Shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up. Can I get up now? No. You stay the f*** down too. Get the f*** down right now. Chicago Police! Chicago Police! Chicago Police! Westbound! Westbound! Hey!
That's the Latin brothers, bro. They got away. You're not gonna catch them.
A third-party security camera shows a group of individuals fleeing from the direction of the gunshots. They scatter only when they hear a police siren from a patrol car responding to the request for backup.
What'd he say? Who? No.
Eastbound! One in black! It's back! We got multiple! We got police! All great! All great!
That's over there by the jail. That's the Kings.
Hey! Put your hands up!
Oh my God.
Put your hands up!
One officer attempts to detain 2 suspects, but they refuse to stop. The officer breaks away when he hears fellow officers calling for help.
Over here! Right here! Yo!
Oh, is that the Spanish folks? My bad.
Get hands! Get down! Get down! Get down!
Yes, you do. It was you.
You got nothing?
Where's the clue?
Stop it! Rico!
I don't got my cuffs.
I got mine. Get down here and
I don't got my cuffs.
I have mine.
Come on, bro. She wants you to grab her ass. Oh, she called you dip.
I got mine. Get down here and
I don't got my cuffs.
I have mine, you dipshit.
That nigga's new. Don't call. See, that nigga's new. You already fucked him? That's crazy. You already. Hold on. Let me close this window. That South Central smoke. But yeah. You gonna let this bitch with a receding hairline talk to you like that? You gonna let George Foreman talk to you like that? That's crazy.
Shit. Is anyone else over here?
There's a group of them, 1 shot at us. Shots fired back by police.
Oh, fuck. Are you guys
Damn, they got the ghetto birds already?
Shots fired back by police.
They did it LA style. Okay, well that makes sense.
Yeah, I saw.
No problem.
Get up, get up. Get up.
Meanwhile, back with the arrested juveniles.
I said get the f down! Shut the f get the f down! I don't give a f. Sit down then. Sit the f down. I'm telling you, sit the f down. Sit the f down.
Damn, you got the thing out for that? Oh, you got on a red hoodie? Yeah, you did it. Even though they said it was gray hoodies, you could easily switch hoodies.
Sit the f down. Sit the f game. I'm trying to
Sacramento.
All right, thank you.
How you gonna bleep it out but
All
then
right,
spell it out on the
all
screen?
right, sit down. Dude, take a seat. Take a seat, you too. Take a seat. Take a seat in your ass.
That nigga's from Chicago for real. He used to be one of the yaks back in the day.
So one of the guys that's over there.
Yeah, 24 South Sacramento. LYFT running towards 72nd, please. What's the description? 74 point.
Which guy shot?
Then they shot one of the homies?
That's just for boy. That's right now flat. No, it's down at 10 bucks.
Was there a guy in all white? Because there was a guy in all white.
Finish up, we're looking for.
No, gray hoodie. You don't pay attention. See, that's why you don't need to be able. All gray hood, 2 gray hoodies, 1 black.
There's one guy that shot it. Hey, where are the guys at?
He didn't say all right. He
The
said
guys that we had in
Iran.
custody.
Where's from?
He said I was getting blown at Iran. If he said that, he definitely was blowing, bro. That was the shooter.
Where the fuck is it, dude?
What?
Where the fuck is it?
10-6-4 boy.
Where's the gun? Where the fuck is the gun, dude?
Check by 2-2 place in Cali. 2-2 place in
Oh, at the
Cali.
homie's house. All girl and all off.
That's probably where they ran. Alright? One wearing gray. Alright, 10-4 California.
Hey, dude, last time I saw 2 guys
wearing
running
black,
that way.
one wearing gray.
Yeah, but then I saw you guys calling for help over here. Because I saw these guys running from right over here.
Right by the jail.
I saw him.
That's the king.
No, keep looking. There's like 2 more. They went somewhere that way. Wearing all black and gray.
That's a bold move. You almost hit your
Hey, look
homie.
around. There might be a gun somewhere around here.
No, it's not.
They were.
Just leave.
Yeah.
What am I detained for?
He's just detained right now. But they shot over there in the alley, and they came running this way.
Everyone's good?
Yeah.
They're coming this way, we're looking around here.
Yeah. So they were. Oh, right here. Right here.
An officer recovers a Ruger LCP-2, equipped with a laser sight and an extended magazine,
Of course.
loaded with live rounds.
But you still didn't hit nothing. With the homie.
1064 boy. I found that. Shit, I know.
10-6-4.
What was that
Yes, well, we got 3 possible.
Was that the first one we got? Or is that the
20
one right now?
second place.
1064 boy.
What am I being
Second
Dude,
place.
you're being detained right now.
10-6-4 boy, go ahead.
He did. Look at this language. You acting all cool, calm, and collected. What am I being detained for? Bro, listen. If you just got busted at, or busted at in the direction you were in, the general direction, and you were supposedly running because you got busted at, you don't ask, what am I being detained for? Bro, as a criminal-minded individual, I don't do crimes currently. I used to for a long time ago. It's in my professional criminal opinion that you did it. What am I being detained for? Nigga, you just said I was running from the shots just like you. Why do you keep on asking what am I being detained for if you just told them you are running to get away from danger? No. That I believe that nigga did it. He probably got off though.
We have a firearm recovered at Marshall and 23rd. Do me a favor, sit the f down.
Alright, Marshall and 23rd. Weapon repair, 2250 on the clock.
There's like 2 more.
Slow it down, slow it down.
getting shot at? What the
What's that?
That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
And then you turned around and said we were getting busted on. That's not what you do in that order, sir. That's not the appropriate response.
This is a firearm. Yeah. I accidentally touched it. I'm sorry.
What's that?
That's another one. We were just at the King's Block right now.
On the Kings, what did I tell you? I told you that was the Kings.
That's another one. We were just at the King's Block right now.
We were at the Kings block right now. That's where the Kings be at. I didn't say it. Excuse me. I didn't say it. They said it. It's right over there by the jail, man.
The 2 juveniles who were originally detained before officers were fired upon were charged with unlawful use of a
A
weapon.
UUW. So they were doing something.
The 2 juveniles who were arrested after officers were fired upon were charged with unlawful use of a weapon. and multiple counts of aggravated assault of a peace officer. At the time of publishing, little additional information was available about the status of the cases due to Illinois privacy laws.
Nah, nigga. Because they do all kind of grimy shit. When I stayed in Rogers Park, they didn't publish any of the...
For context, Chicago's homicide rate is similar to that of Louisville, Kentucky, or Cincinnati, Ohio, and significantly below the murder rate of Baltimore, Maryland, St. Louis, Missouri, or New Orleans, Louisiana.
Well, that's a blessing, man. That's a blessing. That's a blessing.
On a national scope, areas of high homicide rates per 100,000 residents cluster in broader regions along the lower Mississippi River, the Deep South, and the Sun Belt. High rates of homicide tend to cluster around urban areas rather than rural. However, there is as much diversity between America's safest cities as there is between its deadliest. For instance, both Lincoln, Nebraska, and New York...
Hey, man, I don't need a history lesson, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. It's not what it's not. I hope the homicides in Chicago keep lowering and lowering and lowering, and the only way that that's going to happen is if more motherfuckers get... No, I'm just playing. That's not even funny. But I hope more money gets poured into the city so we won't have to hear things like this, and each generation shall wane better. But it is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the bang, you the bang, we the bang together. Why did that even happen? Man, life is in the breath. Breathe it in. Let me drop it right here. Peace. Gang.